Hello, my friends, Amy Cohen. So I want to talk to you about anxiety. I have a client I just got off the phone with that is working with me to grow her business. And she's having a hard time making any moves or decisions because of her anxiety. So one of the things I talk about is when you have anxiety, it is very difficult to make really good decisions because you're not making them from your mind, your heart, and your soul. Your anxiety is making the decisions for you, what you can do if you're fearful, what you can't do. And you are not really following your journey when you're in anxiety. So regardless if you are in a business and trying to grow it, regardless if you are waking up every morning with dread, regardless if you are a child in school or a college student, when you don't take care of your anxiety, you are not back to yourself. Once you get rid of your anxiety, what happens is all of this heavy energy, all of this minutia in front of you disappears. It starts to clear up, and then you start to blossom. And what comes out when you blossom? Your journey, your story, your purpose comes out when you start to feel good. And that's what this plant medicine does for you. Down below, I gave you a link because I want to inspire you. I want you to listen to these stories from women, including myself, where, I could not leave the house, where their anxiety was so bad, they either as well could not leave the house or woke up with dread. I could not even go and see my kids doing their little circle parade around the school to a school that was 2 blocks away from me. When you struggle with anxiety, it can be debilitating. There's all different levels. And when you can get rid of that anxiety and follow your purpose and you can get back to who you truly are, your life becomes amazing. So understand that anxiety is not your destiny, but you are the person that has to take action. You have to take that first step to getting rid of it. I want you to look at those stories because you're going to get excited. You are moving your body back into balance. You are getting rid of your anxiety once and for all and moving forward so you can live the life you came here to live. That is why I call this soul medicine. It goes deep. And anything, whether you feel like you're being judged, whether you are struggling with panic attacks or not, whether you can leave the house or not, whether it's fears, no matter what it is, we can move you back into balance because that is you in an unbalanced state. So all the things you wish for, they're not dreams. They're really your goals. And once we clear all that up, boom, your life is going to change. You're going to blossom. You're going to move towards doing things you never thought you can do. And it just comes naturally. You don't even have to think about it. You don't know what you want to do with your life? Well, the remedies are going to take you there. Let's get you moving, living your life. You are in charge. You contact me and let's get you moving, my friends. Take care. Amy D. Cohen.